welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. As you guys can tell, I'm in my bathroom, and as you can tell from the title, this is going to be a morning skincare routine, how I prep my skin before I apply makeup. We're doing this whole series on my channel. I had something completely different in mind for what I wanted to do for the third part of the series. It was going to be like focused around the lips, but then I realized one of the most important steps in makeup is skin prep. Your skin is the base, it's your canvas. Taking care of your skin and making sure that you have a clean, hydrated canvas, aka your face, is really going to ensure that your makeup application comes out flawless. So I'm making a change to the series. We're not gonna do the lips, we're gonna scrap that, okay? I actually recently purchased a bunch of lip products and I will talk about that in another video. But for now, we're gonna focus on skincare, and I also have a little treat for you guys. So be sure to stay tuned until the end because I have a little treat and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna use all e.l.f. products. I love e.l.f.'s products. I used them a few months ago in one of my skincare regimens. I do swap out certain products every now and again. So I'm using the e.l.f. Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser. I like using this cleanser because it is not foaming, although I know that foaming cleansers are really good for oily skin. Something to note, I am oily. Sometimes my skin is a little bit sensitive to certain products, so I like using e.l.f.'s products because there are no parabens, no sulfates, and I just find that they're much more gentle on my skin. And no, this video is not sponsored. I really did want to give you guys a more affordable option when it pertains to skincare because I know that skincare can get really pricey. So now that my skin is nice and clean, it's time to tone. Toning, especially this toner, this is e.l.f.'s Keep Your Balance toner. This toner, it says, is gentle, removes impurities, refreshes the skin with hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and aloe. These skin-loving ingredients work with your skin's pH to keep it balanced and healthy. The result is refreshed, soft, and balanced skin. It just makes my skin feel nice and hydrated and smooth, but also clean. You know what I mean? Make sure you get down the neck. And y'all, do not clock me for my missing lashes. I know I have like 8 on this eye and 4 on this one. So as you can see, my skin is nice and hydrated and clean. Now we're gonna bring moisture back into the skin. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Serum. It's with purified water, aloe, and green tea. In your skincare regimen, you do want to use serums. Serums are really good for your skin. Serums add an extra layer of hydration to the skin, but also provide a protective barrier, almost very similar to that of a primer. My skin looks so healthy and just glowy. I switch between using eye cream first and serum first. So I'm gonna go in with an eye cream. This is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. You only need a little bit. I always tell you guys about eye creams and the benefit, but using eye cream under your eyes really does help to hydrate your under eye area where you're going to put the concealer, all the powders, or if you're someone who likes to bake, putting eye cream on helps to prevent the premature aging because the skin underneath your eyes is so thin, it starts to wrinkle much faster. And if you're using products like powders, concealers, like mattifying concealers, drying concealers, and you're putting powders on top, there's no moisture there. So if there's nothing to keep your eyes hydrated underneath all that product, you're just honestly prone to premature wrinkles. Make sure that you're wearing eye cream. You guys will thank me. You will thank me. Wear your eye cream and then apply concealer. Sis, it's a game changer. Put it on your lid as well. The skin that's on your lid is also thin. So if you want to prevent premature wrinkles, wear your eye cream. Put your eye cream on. So now we're gonna put on facial oil. Now I always talk about facial oil on my channel. Facial oil is so important. I'm gonna show you guys why. If you have oily skin, using a facial oil at night is going to be beneficial for you. If you feel like your skin just over produces oil, it might be because you are trying to reduce the amount of sebum production and your skin is going into like panic mode. When you try to blot out the oil or when you try to avoid using moisturizers, your skin goes into a panic mode and it's going to overproduce oil. If you ever notice that you're more oily than you normally are, it's probably because you're trying to reduce the amount of oil production, so you're not moisturizing. If you moisturize your skin, it's gonna create a balance. I used to be like that, where I was like, okay, I'm already oily, like I'm not using moisturizer. No, actually what happens is the complete opposite of what you're trying to achieve. So use moisturizers, okay? But also use facial oils. They're super beneficial. Facial oils help to replenish and condition your skin. So if you are someone who you don't want your face to appear oily, I know some people don't like that, use an oil at night in your nighttime skincare regimen. Use facial oil, and then when you wake up in the morning, you do your skincare. I guarantee you your skin is going to thank you. It's going to love you because you didn't try to take away the oils. And basically what you're doing is you're balancing it out, so now your skin is not going to overwork to produce sebum, aka oil, in order to overcompensate for the oil that you were trying to take away. I hope that makes sense. I'm an esthetician, so I kind of like use terminology that the average person doesn't use. But anyway, so like I said, I'm using the All the Feels facial oil. It is hemp-derived cannabis sativa. Okay, it comes with a dropper, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I use a facial oil every single time I do my skincare. Even when I'm not wearing any makeup, this is what I do. And I also put it in my eyebrows. Do not skip your eyebrows. You guys, look at the skin. And when I apply facial oil, I like to massage my face. So I'm gonna use this gua sha. I think that's how it's pronounced. I've been using this lately and I have noticed such a difference in my face. I'm not a pro at this, so I don't really know how to use it thoroughly, but I've been using it lately and I love the results that I'm seeing. I've been using the Jade roller for a very long time. I love using this in the morning because it does help to depuff my skin and it provides a bit of relaxation. Like I noticed that using it, I just feel more relaxed. The muscles in my face feel more relaxed. I like using it over an oil. It helps to penetrate the product deeper into my skin. And then if you flip it on this side, it is a smaller roller, so that's going to help to penetrate the eye cream into the skin better. Go on the side of your nose. When you're doing your skincare, you want to let your products settle into your skin before you just pack on the next product. So doing this is going to help the products penetrate deeper into my skin and give the products time to actually work. Next up, we're going to use the Holy Hydration Hydrogel Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and peptides. Now, products that have hyaluronic acid in them are amazing moisturizers. The hyaluronic acid, what it does is it penetrates deep into the skin and really adds that moisture that your skin needs. And it gives your skin a nice healthy glow. And just really massage the products in and make sure that you're lifting. Always lift, even with your neck. You don't want the turkey neck. Just lift. And to seal everything in and lock it all into place, I'm going to use this Holy Hydration Face Cream by e.l.f. Now that you've cleansed your skin, you've massaged your skin, you've hydrated your skin, we're gonna go in with some sunscreen because it's daytime, and even with wearing makeup, we want to make sure that we're putting on sunscreen. I know a lot of foundation and products claim to have sunscreen, but this is just not always enough, okay? So I'm using the Black Girl sunscreen. It is SPF 30. Now, if you're someone who doesn't really like the hydrated look, I don't mind it. As you guys know, I love when my makeup looks really dewy and skin-like. But if you're not into that, go ahead and apply a primer. I'm not going to use a primer today. I am just gonna go right in with doing my makeup. So the final step for me would be applying a lip butter, or I would use a lip mask while I'm doing my makeup, just so that my lips are absorbing the moisture while I do the rest of my face. And by the time I get to my lips, they'll be nice and hydrated and ready for whatever lip product I use. So I'm using this lip butter by Tree Hut, and it's made with shea butter and rosehip oil. Just apply that to my lips. And that is it, we're done. That is my morning skincare regimen. I know it seems like a lot, but honestly, without all the talking, it's very easy. And one thing with morning skincare, I feel like that is just my moment to wake myself up. Massaging my face really helps to relax the rest of my body. The tensions just kind of fall off of me or sink down to the bottom of my feet. Starting off my morning, doing my skincare, getting my skin nice and hydrated, massaging my face, it just really helps to alleviate stress. If you do have any skin struggles that you have not been able to get under control, I do recommend that you see a dermatologist or an esthetician. But anyway, you guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in this 3-part series. I thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, for engaging with me. I appreciate you guys so much. And I know that I was supposed to do a giveaway. I hit 50K, I never did a giveaway, and 60K, I didn't do a giveaway. 10K, I did a giveaway. 20K, I did like Sephora gift cards. But I received this package, and I feel like this video would be super fitting since it was skincare. So I recently received a package from e.l.f. It has a few of the products that I used in today's video, and I already had most of them. So I wanted to give one of you guys this box full of goodies. I'll send you guys the full box. I did open it a little bit just so that I could make sure that everything was in here in its place. I'm gonna give that to one of you. If you made it all the way to the end, then you, my friend, get to reap the benefit of potentially getting this box. So since we're coming up on the end of the year, all I want you to do is leave a comment down in the comment section below and tell me something that you are grateful for. It can be anything, I do not care. Just share it with me what you're grateful for, and also include your Instagram handle. If you don't have Instagram, then just include your email address, I guess. Yeah, if you don't have Instagram, just leave your email address, and I'm gonna randomly pick one of the comments, whichever one I like best. I'm gonna choose that, and I'm gonna send you this box full of goodies. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to include your Instagram handle or your email address, and just tell me something that you're grateful for. It can be anything, like I said. So if you have made it all the way to the end of the 3-part series, I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support on my channel. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. That is it. I'm done rambling. I'm done talking your ears off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!